We spend weeks, sometimes even months, preparing our baby nursery or our baby room. We make sure we pick the cutest colors, the softest blankets, all the beautiful things, and then we beautify their rooms. And then the cribs, make sure it's very, very beautiful, just to welcome the new addition to the house, to the family. Now, what if there are some things that are hidden in this baby room that can cause rashes to them, or even make them feel uncomfortable in their room, or even make them to breathe, to have abnormal breathing? What if there are things in their room that can actually cause all these things? Today, we're going to look at three things that are hidden in your baby rooms that you need to check out right now. Let's go. Now, the first one is the mattress. Yeah, the mattress. You know, when you get a brand new mattress, when you open it up, it has this smells like a new car smell, you know? If you enter into a new car, there is this smell, this odor that comes from it. Yeah, mattresses, they have that smell too. And these smells, they come from chemicals used during production. So when your newborn baby that is still very tiny and their lungs are still developing, yeah, when they sleep on these new mattresses, they actually breathe in these chemicals all night long, and this can cause coughing. Yeah, it can cause coughing or even stuffy nose for them. And so what should we do instead? When you get the new mattress, open it up, let it air out in another room or even outside for some days. Keep it in another room or outside for some days. Let that air, that scent smell out before you can now put it in the baby room, before baby will ever sleep on it, so that fume, that smell will go out, and then baby will not need to take those smells in. That is number one. So you might want to go check it out right now if you're decorating a room for your baby. Now, number two. I know that we all will love our baby's rooms to smell so nice. Yeah, when you want to walk into a baby's room that have beautiful smells. Now, sometimes we have these plugged-in air fresheners. The one like there's the type we used to have, Ambipor. I don't know the one that is available now. There's this plugged-in that you just see it automatically sprays in the room. Yeah, then some of us will love that, and then some will have this detergents that are perfumed, that use it to wash baby's clothes, and the scent will remain on the clothes. Those are actually dangerous. Baby skin, they are very, very thin, way thinner than our own. And so these fragrances, air fresheners, and perfumed soaps can cause rashes to their skin or even allergies. And their nose is still developing to perceive all these things. So what you should do instead, ditch all the perfumes, all the fragrances for their washing, for their clothes. Use fragrance-free soaps, or there are soaps that are made for skins that are sensitive. So use those type for washing. For the air freshener, just ditch those things. Open the window, let there be ventilation in the room, and baby will be just fine. Instead of causing them harm, because we want the place to be fine, it's better we just let them take in the fresh air. When your room is ventilated, you don't even have any issue. Yeah, so let's ditch those and go for fragrance-free bath soaps for their clothes, so that we will not end up causing rashes or allergies for our babies. So the third one is the humidifier. Yeah, so some people use a humidifier for their babies when they are sick to help them breathe well. It's good, but there is danger in this, in leaving it running non-stop. You just put on the humidifier in the baby's room and then you leave it non-stop. It does two bad things. First of all, it gathers bacteria, and then with time it starts spraying it into the air, and baby starts inhaling that, which is very, very bad. And then because you don't wash it often, it creates molds on the walls behind chairs and maybe behind baby crib, they are not good at all for baby's health. So what you should do instead is this. When baby is sick and needs a humidifier, use it to help baby, but make sure you rinse it, you wash it out every few days. 1 to 3 days you wash it, 1 to 3 days you wash it, and when baby is okay, stop it. It's not something you use often, right? So that we don't go cause more harm for the baby instead of that we're trying to protect. You know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So use humidifier when necessary, and when you use it, make sure you wash it every few days so that it doesn't gather molds and it doesn't trap these bacteria and later start spraying it back into the air. That is the third and final one. Now, your baby's nursery doesn't really need to be expensive or complicated. No, you just have to be simple, clean, and well-aired. So by tomorrow morning, go to your baby's nursery, go to your baby's room, check out these 3 things that I've mentioned and see if your baby is safe. If you want more simple tips on how to keep your baby safe and healthy, hit that subscribe button now. And now, what should you do if your baby is already showing signs of allergies? Well, we'll have a video covering this on my channel, so just head back to my channel, check on the videos. You'll see a video on baby allergies and what to do. Just go through it and see the tips that you need to help your baby. Until next time, keep being a super mom and keep keeping your baby healthy. Bye.